I had a lot of arthritis, had a lot of pain. I had fallen on it, and it just didn't get any better. I was dragging my leg for 7 months, and towards the end, I just couldn't manage the pain. Hi, I'm Sandy, and I recently had a knee surgery at Columbia Memorial Hospital, and I'm quite happy with life right now. My recovery was really very fast and simple. I can't get over it. It was so, right now, it feels so like I never had a problem with my knee. I'm back to normal. I'm doing things that I've been doing better than I was doing them before. Why did I wait so long? I wish I had it done earlier, but I hesitated because I was afraid. I didn't want to go through the surgery, have to be laid up for 5 months, but it wasn't like that at all. The experience was so great to the fact that I was driving my car a week and a half after I'd had the surgery. And I would like other people to realize that it can be that simple for them too. It's really, the process itself was very simple and very, it's just so quick and so easy. Thank you, Columbia Memorial, for giving me my life back.